Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you had a wonderful week. Today's video is a late Sketchbook Sunday, and apologies for the late upload. Since we're now in October, I thought I'd do a warm nighttime scene in autumn. So grab your sketchbooks and your brushes and let's get straight into it. I'm going to start with an outline sketch as always to get a sense of where I'd like for things to be roughly. Using a soft baby pink, I lay down a base colour for the pathway using a filbert brush. I go ahead and also add a darker earthy colour to mark the edge of the path on the right here. And imagining where the glow of the streetlights will reflect on the path, I add some warmer tones of orange, yellow, and a pinky brown. I'm also roughly putting the outlines in for where my street lights will glow. And I go in with a dry brush to blend the glow more softly into the page. Using a dark Prussian blue, I go ahead and add the background base colour. I add in some black where there should be a shadow on the outer edges of the paper. And as I move closer to the street lights, I mix more greys and whites in with my blue to help create a foggy effect from the light. Again, when I'm blending my colours together, I use a mostly dry to slightly damp brush. Next, I add in the base colour behind the lights in the trees. Since my pathway is pink, I've mixed a dark pink colour with a little blue tint. This shadow colour can tie in the pink and blues that I've already laid down on the paper. I also want my lights to be a little bit bolder, so I go in with an orangey ochre colour. And this can look really rough for now because I'm going to go back over again to blend and shape the glow even more once they're dry. Now for the trees. I use a range of dark blue, grey blue and blacks for the trees in the back. Closer to the front, I do want to add a little bit more detail. So I make these trees a little bit more brown as I want them to be warmer as they're closer to the lights. I also add in some light brown and a bold yellow, just trails of this where the light should hit the trunk of the tree. pathway will be covered in piles of shedded leaves. And since the lights are coming from the top of the painting, I start with layering darkest to lightest colors. My leaves will range from dark red to yellow, and I'm also going to use a range of warm colours between those. I use the same layering technique for the tops of the trees as well. So layering down a black first for the base, then using dark browns on top of that, and finishing off with light oranges. Using the same lighting scheme for the hedge on the right here, I'm using a light yellow-green at the top, moving down slowly to a dark green, and eventually a black at the bottom. Now that my lights have dried, I go in with a tiny bit of watered down blue to soften the edge of the glow so that it blends better. Now what I'm doing is just going through and adding highlights wherever I see the light reflecting off the hedge, the leaves, the trees, even the leaves on the floor. to finish it off, I use a white and black to outline the lamp. This will help them to look more clean and defined. And there you have it, a warm evening night in autumn. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more, and comment what you'd like to see next week. Bye!